The world of financial risk management feels like it's constantly accelerating. More data, more regulations, more volatility, and somehow less time to deal with it all. Everyone is shouting that AI is the answer, but that brings its own set of very valid questions. How can you trust the results from a black box? Is your proprietary data actually safe? And will a generic tool truly understand the unique complexities of your organization? These aren't just technical hurdles, they're fundamental questions of trust and control. The fear is that you'll trade one set of problems for another, gaining no real efficiency. This is where the idea of risk intelligence comes in. It's a different approach, championed by a firm called FRG. They argue that the goal isn't just to apply AI, but to apply it with decades of specialized knowledge. They've been in the trenches of financial risk long before the current AI hype cycle. Their foundation isn't technology for technology's sake, it's a deep, hard-won domain expertise. The technology has changed, the data has expanded, but their focus on the intricacies of risk has not. So how do they make AI smart about risk? It starts with their digital teams. Think of them not as a single general-purpose chatbot, but as a team of specialists, each one trained on genuine risk expertise accumulated over 2 decades. And these agents operate with total transparency. They show their reasoning, which is absolutely critical for model governance, audits, and regulatory review. The key to this transparency is something they call a risk blueprint. Imagine it as a perfectly structured recipe for a complex risk analysis. It's written in a format that both the AI agents and your human team can read and understand. If a model changes, the blueprint shows you exactly what, where, and why, like a tracked change in a document. There are no secret ingredients, no hidden steps. But the real heart of the system is the business metadata layer. This is the institutional knowledge, the context, the rules, the definitions that make your business unique. It's what allows FRG digital teams to understand a simple prompt like, run the card model with an adverse scenario and last year's portfolio. A generic AI prompt would be lost, asking a dozen basic questions. But FRG's system already has the context. It knows what the card model is, where to find the portfolio data, and what an adverse scenario means specifically for you. The results of this approach are tangible. We're talking about detecting critical issues up to 85% faster, slashing risk operating costs by more than 60%. This isn't just a marginal improvement, it's a fundamental shift in capability, allowing teams to do more than they ever could before. And crucially, this is not about replacing your experts, it's about augmenting them. FRG's digital team handles the immense, time-consuming work of gathering intelligence, running countless scenarios, and flagging potential problems in real time. This frees your team to focus on what only humans can do: apply judgment, strategize, and make the final, critical decisions. The human is not just in the loop, they are firmly in control. In the end, it's the difference between just doing AI and achieving genuine intelligence. It's about using a system that doesn't just surface data, but reasons through it, a system that adapts, learns, and most importantly, earns your trust by being completely transparent. It's how you stop chasing the technology and start leading with insight.